Hi friends, in this we analyze the circuit, AC circuit using nodal analysis, right? So what is the question here is uh, find the voltage at node V1 and V2. So we have to find V1 and V2. That is the question. Find V1 and V2, right? Okay, how we are going to do? I use shortcut method. So whenever I want to use shortcut method, I have to convert voltage source into current source. Total circuit should be having only current source, then only I can use shortcut method. So this is 50 volt and 5 ohm in series, so 50 volt and 5 ohm in series. This I convert into current source, so this implies I is equal to V by R. So 50 0 divided by R is 5, so 10 0. So current source is equivalent current network is N0 parallel 5 ohm, right? So instead of this one, I replace this. Purely it becomes current. Okay, next I want to replace this one, this area. This is also voltage source. I replace this. What I do? This is 50, 90 degree. This is 2 ohm. So if I replace I is equal to V by R, so 25, 90 degree, fine. R will be parallel, so 2 ohm. So instead of this I replace. So the new circuit becomes like this. What? Current source parallel with resistor, right? Then we have this area will be as it is, then this will be replaced by new source. So it will be, it is like this is like this, same thing. This area we don't change. Okay, next one, parallel current source, fine. This is 10 0 degree, this is 5 ohm, this is J. Okay, this is what, here we have J2 ohm. So J2 ohm, this is minus J2 ohm, V1 V2 4 ohm, 25 90 degree ampere. This resistance is 2 ohm. Now we write equation, matrix equation. How? Right, this is node 1, right? This is node 1, node 2. So we have only two nodes, so we write 2 by 2 matrix. What are the resistance connected to this node V1? So 5 ohm, so 1 by 5. This 2, so 1 by J2. This 4, so 1 by 4. This is R11. Next element is R12, resistance common between 1 and 2. So negative minus 1 by 4. Next 2 1, resistance common between 2 and 1, again 1 by 4, negative. 2 2, what are resistance connected in node 2? This 4, this 1 by J2, this 2 ohm. Fine. So these are all the things connected. Okay, this is V1, V2. Now right hand side, what are the current source in node 1? It is 10 0 degree. So incoming means positive, so 10 0 degree. In node 2, 25 90 degree, 25 90 degree. Okay, done. Now the matrix is over. So this is our del. So find the value of this matrix. If you find, what you get is del is equal to 0.544 angle minus 16 degree. Okay, now what I want, del V1. Del V1, I want V1, V2. So first I find del V1. Del V1 is replace this column by this element. So 10 0 degree, 25 90 degree. Second column will be as it is. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, it is 5 by 4 minus 1 by j2 minus 1 by j2. This is what del v1. If you simplify it, what you get is 13.52 in 56.3 degree. Now what I want v1. v1 is del v1 divided by del. Del v1 is this one, del is this one. Divide both, what you get is 24.85 angle 72.3 degree volt. This is what v1. Now I want v2. What I have to do? Replace this element by this column. First column will be as it is. So now I do here, I don't have space. Del v2 is, first column will be as it is. So it will be 1 by 5 plus 1 by j2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Second column should be replaced by this element 10 0 25 90. If you simplify, what you get is 10 v2 del v2 is equal to 18.74 36.84 degree. I want v2. v2 is del v2 by del cancel, v2 we will get. So del v2 we know, del we know. This is del v2, del we obtained already. This is what our del 0.554 minus 16. If you simplify, what you get is 12.425 minus 17.7 degree ampere. Okay, so sorry, this is not this one. We get as 34.44 angle 52.84 degree. This is what the answer. Okay, and next problem, this is this one. Okay, here we have to find v1 and v2. This is v1 and v2. Let us see. Again, everything is in voltage source. First convert voltage source into current source. So v by r, that is I, so it will become 10 by 3, 3.33. 3.30 degree ampere. This 3 will become parallel, 3 ohms. This will be as it is, j4 ohm. This is minus j6. This one, you see, these two are series. I convert into current source, 10 by 5. Fine. So it will become 2 ampere. And this j5 will be there. No, this j5, this is v2 to ground. v2 to ground. So I write as this is v1. This is v2. v2 to ground, I find this, j5. I redraw the circuit. j5. Then this is in series, so V and I are on series. I convert into parallel network with the current source. So R will be as it is, 5 ohm. I is equal to V by R, 10 by 5, 2 ampere, 30 degree. Fine. Okay, otherwise 230 degree ampere. 230 degree ampere. Right. Now we write the equation. So this is node 1. This is node 2. For node 1 is so 2 node, so we write 2 by 2 matrix. What are the resistance connected to node 1? 3, 4 and minus j6. So 1 by 3, 1 by j4 minus 1 by j6. Resistance between 1 and 2 minus 1 by j6, so it will become plus 1 by j6, right? Okay, plus 1 by j6. Here also plus 1 by j6. Fine. And what will happen here? y22. What are resistance connected here? j5, 1 by j5. This j6 minus 1 by j6 plus 1 by 5. Right? So these are all the resistance connected here. Right. Next, what we have to do? Next, we will see. So this is V1, V2. What is I1 current in the node 1? 3.30 degree. Incoming, so plus symbol. Here also current is incoming to 30 degree. Right? So this is also incoming current. Okay. Fine. Okay. So in the question, it seems that they are given. Sorry, I didn't notice the question. Here the current is given like this. So current is going from negative to positive. So we change arrow mark like this. This is given in the question. So arrow mark goes down. So that means in V2 current goes down. So up current goes away. So it is -2, right? -2 angle. What is that? 30 degree. Okay, -2 angle 30 degree. Now we got everything. So okay, this is our matrix. So this matrix will give del. Del is equal to, if you simplify this matrix, what you get is 0.093 minus 16.87 degree. Fine. Now I want del V1. Del V1, I have to replace first column by this. So 3.30 degree minus 2, 30 degree. Second column will be as it is, 1 by J6, 1 by J5 minus 1 by J6 plus 5. So if you simplify, what you get is, it will be giving 0.913 minus 25.83. So V1 is equal to del V1 by del V1 this one, del V is this one. If you simplify, what you get is 9.82 minus 8.96 volt. Next, I find del V2. Del V2 means first column will be as it is. First column will be as it is. So I write first column 1 by 3, 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by J4 minus 1 by J6. Now 1 by J6. Second column should be replaced by 3.30 and minus 230 degree. So 3.30 minus 230 degree. This is del V2. So this indicates del V2 is equal to 0.9948.23 degree. So this implies V2 is equal to del V2 divided by del V2, this one, V2 we got already. Simplify this, you get 10.6465 volt. So in this way we can find voltage at a particular node. I hope you understand both the problems. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.